here at Harbour Ridge on the 17th hole of the River Ridge Golf Course, one of my favorites on the property. And this view behind me will be your backyard when you buy my new listing. If you want to see this house in person and live on one of my favorite golf holes at Harbour Ridge, give me a call. I'd be happy to show it to you.